Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Good morning. I hope all of you are well prepared for today's session. We had a nice day off. I'm going to go to 5 minute chart. Wait. Yes, opening bell has rang. I have already drawn all the important levels which will help us during trading. I'll go to 1 minute chart, then I'll come back to 5 minute chart once we go past over 920. If you look at other index, I'll show you Dow Jones. I'll go to daily chart. So it was a up and down session. Price went high, then it went low, then it closed somewhere in the middle. If we look at SGX Nifty, where is that? Nifty. Does it have or not? SGX Nifty is a Singapore. This is this one. I don't think so. It is there. Singapore Exchange. Yeah, it was. See, let's check this. So it was. So currently, it is going on or not? There's something else. No. So forget about it. So that could act as a template. Generally, uh, indexes across countries they mimic each other. It's not always the case, but most of the time, if there is a huge selling in American or Asian market, you are going to see the same trend in Indian market and vice versa. So as you can see, price has gone down. It has gapped down by a huge mile. Let me see the gap down level. I'll have to. So it closed at 37,788 and it opened at 37,000, just above 37,000. So can you see the huge gap down opening? So this gap down opening is going to discourage sellers because when there is a huge gap down opening, seller thinks that this dip in the price might act as an impetus for buyers. So they will encourage to buy if price comes at an appropriate level. So currently 37,000. What was the level here? 37,200 or what? Yes, 249. So what I always recommend, do not place a trade in first 5 minutes. Wait out and then we can go ahead. As you can see, price went over the support level, which has become a resistance level, 37,200 rupees. But currently, price is trying to reach that level. So just wait out. Do not place a trade because there is a high volatility in first 5 minutes. Exactly what is going to happen. We have to wait out. We don't have any other option. See here, 30. Let me go and check the level. 17,000 rupees. 1,666. So first 5 minutes, just ignore the levels. Even if goes and breaks above resistance level come back, just assume that we are not going to take a trade. And after first 5 or 10 minutes, then you can use this level as an important level for trading. What is happening? So you have to be a bit flexible when it comes to level. Now, if price goes and breaks above 37, what is the level? 37,200, then we can think of taking a trade. Slow and steady wins the race. Always respect time and patience. 232. Now the most important thing here is the high, which was established in first 5 minutes. Now it is broken. Can you see? That's the advantage of first 5 minutes. Now what you have two options. Just trail your stop loss above the entry level or wait out. Anything can happen. If I look at the volume activity, it's pretty good. Always remember, nothing is gospel truth. If I have drawn levels on the chart, it doesn't mean that those levels are going to be respected, or we are going to see either reversal or breakout when price is at those levels. Anything can happen. That's why we have stop loss. Otherwise, we will trade without stop loss. Price has broken 37,299. Now there is a small resistance level on 5-minute chart, 37,300 rupees. See, I told you when there is a huge gap down opening, generally sellers detest from selling. There is always going to be a dip in the stock price. Always remember that price is not going to go up and over all the time. You are going to see profit booking. As I told you on 5-minute chart, I was looking at the level of, say this one, 37,350 rupees. Again, price is taking support where the level which I have drawn. If I go to 15-minute chart, so that's why I draw smaller levels. In today's session, I draw levels on 1 hour chart. In tomorrow's session, I'm going to draw it on 5-minute chart. See, did you see? So two things could have happened here. You could have placed a stop loss above the breakout level of 37,220, so 50 rupees, 37,150 rupees. Second thing, you could have opted to take out profit at 37,350 rupees, or you could have done half. take out half the quantity at 37,350 rupees. Currently, it seems like price is going to fill the gap. It will try for sure. There is no guarantee. Always have patience. Best thing you can do is trail your stop loss if you feel uncomfortable. Otherwise, keep the stop loss which you have calibrated for the trade. So there are various ways of trading. At the end of the day, you have to follow a method which works as per your mood. But as per you, see, everyone have different mentality. Somebody get, uh, somebody feel, what's the word? They feel anxious very quickly. Others, they are very calm and they are very assured of themselves. So according to that, you have to make alteration in your trading style. I haven't checked Nifty 50. Let me do that as well. Nifty 50 is not sure. Generally, I always feel that Nifty 50 as an index is not rewarding enough. It always takes time to go up or down, whereas Bank Nifty see how much momentum we saw. It went from 37,000, almost 37,000 to 37,400 rupees, and Bank Nifty 50 is just hovering around what, uh, not even 100 rupees. So I always encourage to take a trade in Bank Nifty. See, price has gone down. So I'm going to continue till 9:40. Then I will end the stream. Can we go and check some stocks? Chola Mandalam. Price has gone down. So initially, when I started the session, I told you in Dow Jones we had a doji-like pattern. Are we going to see the same in Bank Nifty? Today is Thursday, by the way. Something like this. Price went higher. Maybe it will close somewhere in the middle. I'm going to shut the stream. I'm really sorry. I have some work to do. We will meet in tomorrow's session, hopefully, and a profitable one for sure.